Alright, welcome back everybody, girls and boys, for another unboxing video. And this one, alright, welcome back everybody, girls and boys. So, the battery died on me, alright, so I just swapped it. And good thing I carry an extra, a spare, a backup. Alright my peeps, so welcome back girls and boys. So this video is another unboxing. And this is Kamshi. Kamshi? Or I don't know how you pronounce that. My bad, my peeps. So this is a 20,000 milliamp Samsung Galaxy and more. So it's a portable solar charger, battery bank, thingy-majiggy. Alright, let's open it up. So here it is. It's pretty heavy. It's not as heavy as the other one, but it has some weight. So here we go. Qualcomm 2.0 quick charge model Victor K6, capacity 20,000 milliamp hours, 74 watt hours, input 5 volts / 2 amps, max output 5 volts 2.4 amps, output 5 volts 2.4 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps. Alright my peeps, that's it. I guess this is the little, man, how does this thing work? So I guess you charge it through here, and then you discharge from here, and then this is like the LED light. Let me see, has a little power on button. So I guess this is the LCD screen right here, my feet. So let me turn it on. Oh yeah, there you go. And you guys can see it. Okay, hold on. Alright. Oh, it turned off. So it's only up to 3. I know the wind. I know. I'm bad, my piece. It's getting windy out here. So yeah, so it has just 3 USB. So I don't know how you go about charging it. I have to read the manual. Let's look at the manual real quick. Kashi. Here's how we can connect. Okay, cool. Do all this good stuff. Cool. One year hassle-free warranty. Cool. Polymer power bank. Alright my peeps, so this is the specs on it. I know it's blurry. I apologize. Alright my peeps, that's it for this video. Oh yeah, and then here's the little USB power supply cable, charging cable. Alright my peeps, that's it. Nothing fancy, nothing dandy, nothing crazy. It's just a polymer power bank. Alright. Alright everyone, smash that like button, give it a like, comment, share the video, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell, and be a producer, not a consumer. Alright everyone, stay tuned for the next unboxing video. We still got a couple more. Alright everyone, peace, love,